Hi there, we are Team Rokoo and I'm Edison, the project manager.
Hi, I'm Charlie, I'm the front-end developer.
Hi, I'm Zach, I'm the system architect.
Hi, I'm Ingmei, I'm the back-end developer.
Hi, I'm Tiffany, I'm in charge of user experience.
Hi, I'm Ning Fang, and I'm in charge of quality assurance.
So what our project is that our project is called Canvas and our client is NEC. So the problem that we're trying to tackle here is to try to build a web portal for them to actually brainstorm online collaboratively and to archive all the ideas together. So what happens last time is that we have a business model canvas like this, and the problem is that it's all on paper and a lot of things are not very scalable. For example, you can only write this amount of words, and most of all, if you want to archive this, it's very difficult to archive. So what our solution aims to do is electronic version of this that they can work on it together cross-platform. So on the web application, they can work across different countries, and our project comes with different features such as like versioning control, sharing functions, and everything is reflected in real time. Yeah. Okay, so some of the challenges that we faced in our project was on the project management side is about liaising with different stakeholders. That is a very difficult thing to do, especially when it was our first time doing the project. When our team has certain limitations, and the client wants something totally, the client basically wants the most that they can get, and the supervisor wants to ensure that the grading is fair throughout the whole cohort. So in our project, one of the main challenge was that how do I actually ensure that everyone's interest is being met. So that is the main challenge for the project manager.
Hi, so as a front-end developer, I met many challenges along the way, such as learning JavaScript and also handling AngularJS, to handle all the different variables and codes that was done in our application. Yeah.
So for me as a system architect, I had to manage the backend and front end together, and also design a way for everything to be in real time, such that an update done by Charlie can be seen by Ingmei, for example. So it's about breaking down technical complexity and breaking down into smaller, simpler chunks of code so that everyone can understand.
Okay, for me, the technical complexity for the back-end side, like for example, the use of sockets, because it was a very new technology, so the documentation wasn't very well done. So we have to try different codes to find out which one works, for example. And then the Mongo's backend, we actually store it in a Mongo database. So the importance of making sure that your codes will be scalable in future. So that was something that I learned.
For me as a user experience person, I learned how to come up with many different designs and not just fall in love with one, and also what were the limitations of our team. So in many cases where there were designs proposed, sometimes it doesn't meet the requirements of the sponsor, and sometimes it doesn't align with Charlie's capabilities. So then we need to figure out a way to actually mitigate those and find a best solution possible.
From a QA perspective, I think the most challenging was to come up with cover most grounds in terms of coming up with the test cases and to make sure that our application is of a certain quality before we actually present it to the clients each month, and to ensure that we actually meet the requirements in terms of functionalities developed.
Okay, so our team, we wish to thank our sponsor, the NEC, for their continuous support over the last few months. So far, the last few months, it has been a very smooth and sailing journey, and we actually learned a lot from them. So just case in point is that when we first started the project, NEC actually taught us on how to actually properly manage a software project in the industry, and we learned a lot from them along the process as well. So the next big person that we want to thank is Prof. Ben, because Prof. Ben have actually offered a lot of support to us. He taught us a lot of things, so for things like the usability test, it was a very big help to us back then. When we actually started the project, we didn't know much about it, and he actually taught us how do we actually go about it, how do we actually get a better, more insightful feedback from the users. And last and foremost, we wish to thank all the testers that have helped us along the way. So firstly is the NEC testers. They have given us a lot of feedback and give us a lot of comments on how to make the app better. And also we wish to thank the teams from SMU who have help us in our load testing, to make sure that our application can handle the required workload in our application. So that's all. Thank you.